The Snapchat support code SS03 usually means your account has been temporarily locked or restricted due to suspicious activity or violating Snapchat's policies. Here is how you can fix it step by step. First, make sure you are not using any third-party Snapchat apps or plugins like Scoutman or Snapchat Plus Plus, which are not allowed. If you have any installed, uninstall them immediately. Now open a browser and go to the official Snapchat unlock page like accounts.snapchat.com/accounts/unlock. I will give the link in the description. Log in with your Snapchat credentials, and if your account is eligible, you will see an unlock button. Tap it and wait a few minutes before trying to log back into the app. If that doesn't work or the account is still restricted, open the Snapchat app, try logging in, and when you see the SS03 error, tap Need Help or visit support.snapchat.com. From there, go to Contact Us. Then I can't access my account. Then I see an error message when I log in. Then select My account is locked. Submit a support request and explain the issue clearly. Be honest, especially if you think a mistake was made. Also, try switching your internet connection from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa, or using a VPN, as SS03 errors can sometimes be triggered by IP bans or flagged networks. And that's it. Be patient. If it was a temporary block or error, you will usually be able to get back into your account within 24 to 48 hours.